you and I can both agree that safety is, obviously absolutely critical in this
Yeah.
industry. And I'm also curious, like, what role does reliability have within safety of the team? And how does reliability maintenance think about safety as a component of their everyday role?
Yeah, look, for me, safety is also a culture. And I've worked in Indonesia, I've worked in Chile, I've worked in Australia. And, you know, one of the things that I've learned in all those areas is that it's just about the culture of genuine care for safety. And that's the same as reliability. If you've got a culture where people genuinely care about the machines breaking down and focus on every single breakdown, and and none of them are acceptable. Same with safety, you get the right outcomes. And I remember when working at one of the mine sites, we talked about safety every day, and there was a genuine culture. And just one of the guys mentioned at our morning safety discussion about the kangaroos on the road. And that afternoon, I was going home at dusk, and I was conscious of this, and I was going a bit slower. And sure enough, I came across a pack of them. They're all jumping out, and because I was conscious, I was going slower, and I didn't hit them. And I know that was on my mind because we're talking about it all the time. And the same with reliability. So one of the things we do is set up in the morning discussions, not only talk about safety, but also talk about the equipment and the performance and the breakdowns, and get everyone having that discussion. And that actually helps, because the mechanics and the electricians and all those people, they want to talk about that stuff. And, that helps then improve safety, because everyone is enjoying working there. So yeah, they both go hand in hand, and it all comes back to that culture again.